To shorten a URL link using your Mac only, first copy your link, then go to Launchpad, click on the other folder, and then launch Shortcuts. On the Shortcuts window that opens, click on Gallery and type Shorten URL in the search box. When the shortcut appears, click on the plus sign to add it. Now click on All Shortcuts under My Shortcuts, hover your pointer over the shortcut icon, and then click on the play button on it. On the pop-up window that appears, click Allow once to let the shortcut get your copied URL link, and then click again to let it copy the shortened URL link to your clipboard. You can now close the shortcuts window and paste your shortened URL anywhere you want. Please like if you found this helpful, comment to give feedback, and subscribe to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.